Welcome to the garage. This is where the magic happens, where old-school engineering meets cutting-edge technology, and where car lovers come to debate, dream, and decide. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest debates in the car world: gas versus electric. It's a conversation that's sparking opinions everywhere, from car meets to family dinner tables. On one side, you've got the classic gasoline-powered car, loud, familiar, and full of history. These machines are all about the rumble of the engine, the smell of fuel, and the thrill of shifting gears. For many, they're more than just transportation, they're a way of life. On the other, the electric vehicle, quiet, modern, and changing the game. EVs glide almost silently, powered by batteries and software, and they're rewriting the rules of what a car can be. They promise instant torque, fewer moving parts, and a new kind of driving experience. Choosing a car isn't just about color or style anymore. It's about how you want to move through the world and what kind of future you want to support. Now, it's about what powers your ride, fossil fuels or electricity. Each choice comes with its own set of trade-offs, from convenience to cost to environmental impact. This decision affects your wallet, your driving experience, and even the air we breathe. Gas prices can swing wildly, while charging an EV might mean plugging in at home or searching for a fast charger on the road. And let's not forget the bigger picture: our cities, our climate, and the legacy we leave behind. People are passionate. Some love the roar of an engine, others the silent hum of an EV. For some, it's nostalgia and tradition. For others, it's about embracing the future and new technology. Here in my garage, I've got everything from vintage steam cars to the latest electrics. It's a living museum of automotive evolution, and every car has its own story to tell. Each car tells a story about its era and technology. From analog gauges to digital screens, from carburetors to lithium-ion batteries. The journey's incredible. The gas versus electric debate is just the next chapter in that story. It's a reflection of how our needs, values, and technology keep evolving. It's about progress, innovation, and the future of driving. The choices we make today will shape the roads of tomorrow. So, let's get into it. Money, performance, environment, and daily life. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here, and that's what makes this debate so interesting. My goal? Give you the facts, the pros and cons, and a real-world look at both sides so you can decide what's best for you and your lifestyle. Let's pop the hood, or the frunk, and see what's inside. Whether you're a die-hard gearhead or just curious about the future, there's something here for everyone.